When you have powerful communication tools, it makes running your business easier, faster, and more connected than ever before. So today, we're going to walk through some essential features that are part of your marketing OS that's built on high level. Specifically, we're going to talk about email, we're going to talk about phone numbers, we're going to talk about WhatsApp, domains, and integrations. My name's David. I'm the founder of Better Story Marketing, and I want to congratulate you on taking a massive leap forward in simplifying your marketing with your new BrandPack. In this video, we're going to walk through some powerful features to get that rolling. Let's get into the details. All right, let's start off with email. Email marketing can sometimes feel overwhelming, but your marketing OS built on Go High Level, it simplifies all that. And with your BrandPack, your email becomes one of your most effective tools for customer communication and engagement. So part of what you get in here is you get a set of templates that are pre-designed specifically to your type of business. We look at like emails that can bring someone from an initial interaction to closing a sale. Here in our sales sequence, we also give you a lot of emails that help nurture customers over the long term. You can customize these different templates to fit your brand look and feel. You can also change the content, but you don't have to because they're already written for you. Even within here, you can see statistics of, hey, how are the open rates going? How many unsubscribes? How many clicks? So it really helps you dial in and see what's happening, because email is about reaching the right people with the right message. And part of that can come through email campaigns that you send at one time, or workflow campaigns that happen because something else triggers it. So like in this case, the sales sequence, it happens when someone downloads your lead generator, it kicks off and sends a sequence of emails. So they can be automated, but they can also be scheduled by you. So those are some of the things you got there in email. That's one of the key ways that many of our businesses interact with customers. Another key way is through the phone. So let's talk about that. To get there, you click on settings, and then you're coming down here to phone numbers. And you can see here, you can actually add a phone number because people want to be able to call your business or text your business. Also, when you set an appointment, you want to be able to send text reminders. Hey, we'll be there in an hour. Hey, we're on the way. Your meeting's starting in 5 minutes. You can be able to automate those when you add a number. So you'll pick a number. From here, you can filter it by area code if you want. And you can see it's a pretty good price. It's simple. One thing that you will want to do is go through here in the Trust Center and fill out your A2P messaging verification, because without this, your messages are going to get blocked. This is part of one of the regulations that help reduce some of those spam texts. None of us like those. We don't want to be those. This helps you comply with the right things so your text messages go through. And again, these texts you can send through to one customer if you want. We showed that before in the contacts section, where if you click on a customer, you can come in here and send them an SMS to that particular customer. Now, it has it grayed out because I haven't actually added a number, but when you add your number in here, you can type a message, text that to them. You can also set up an automation to go to them. Okay, so just like a phone number, we can also add WhatsApp. Now, it is an additional charge, so you have to decide, are most of your customers using WhatsApp? Is that the normal mode of communication for your ideal customer? If it is, it's probably worth doing. And then you can do the same thing. You can WhatsApp individual customers. You can set it up as part of your automations. You can send them notifications. There's a lot of different ways to leverage this. And again, best of all, it syncs with all your other tools. That's, again, one of the really big points of the Marketing OS is you don't have to bring all these extra tools together to make things work. You have it all done in one place for you. All right, a couple more things I want to call out here. Domains, because while people may get an email from you, they may get a text message from you, they may also go to your website. This is where you can register your domain, which is where your website's going to live. Or if you want to have some extra landing pages that are used as a lead generator. So say you have a lawn care company and you want to promote that people can have green grass every day. So you end up going and buying greengrasseveryday.com. Now that could go to your website, or that could go to a lead generator for a specific offer. Either way, you can add both of those in here, and you can map your websites and your funnels all here to this domain. You can even set up URL redirects. So if you already have somewhere else you want to send them, if you want to send a domain like that specifically just to a booking calendar and not even set up a page, you can do that too. So there's a lot of flexibility in here for you to manage those domains and make it easier, again, for people to find you. And then we want people to book you, and we want people to pay you, because that's how we launch and grow businesses. Okay, last little one for this video, we're going to talk about integrations. I just want to show you, this is where you can connect some of those other essential apps that help you grow your business. If you're using Google as your email or as your calendar, this is where you're going to set it up. This is where you can also connect your Google business profile. You can connect all of your other social platforms here. Connect QuickBooks so that when you sell things through the Marketing OS, those transactions show up in QuickBooks for you. Connect Stripe to actually process those payments. And there's a number of other things you can connect. So I encourage you to take a few minutes, explore those integrations, see what you need. But yeah, these tools of email, phone numbers, of WhatsApp, of connecting your domains, and all these other integrations, they help get all the tools, all the elements in the right place so that you can launch and grow the business that you want to own.